In front of me is REALME C55, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to tap on Display and Brightness. Now scroll down again and tap on Font. Finally, click on one of those styles. You can see a preview above. And when you finished, save your changes by choosing Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!